Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about something important, Nineka. Nineka is a medicine that fights bacteria and cleanses the gut. It is an intestinal antibacterial and antiseptic. It is often used to treat diarrhea. First of all, what is Nineka used for? Nineka is indicated to treat gut infections caused by bacteria. It also works very well for diarrhea caused by these infections. If your doctor has prescribed Nineka, it's because they think it will help you feel better quickly. And how does Nineka work? Nineka eliminates bad bacteria from the gut, allowing your digestive system to function normally again. It's like a friend who fights bacteria so you can recover. Now, how do you take Nineka? The most important thing is to always follow your doctor's instructions. Normally, you take a higher dose at first to control the infection, and then a lower dose to make sure the bacteria are completely gone. Don't forget to take the correct dose at the right time. But, like all medicines, Nineka can have some side effects. The most common ones are nausea, headache, and stomach upset. If you have any serious side effects, call your doctor right away. And remember, do not take Nineka if you are allergic to any of its ingredients. In short, Nineka can be a great ally to fight gut infections and diarrhea. Just follow your doctor's instructions and be aware of any side effects. Take care and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.